I love a well-seasoned meal, so I'm really excited about these electric salt and pepper grinders. Let's check these out. So this salt and pepper grinder have a lot going for it. For one, they're electric, so you don't have to worry about digging out batteries. They have a nice little charging stand here, and all you have to do is just place them back on their charging stand to charge. It uses a Type-C cable here, and you just plug this into any cube on the USB side to get that going. There's a little cleaning brush here and a little spoon, and these are super easy to use. You've got a little clear window here so you can see your contents, and then there's a little lock, unlock. You're gonna open it up like that, and I'm just gonna put my coarse salt in here, just like so. Okay, so I've got that filled up, and then I'm going to make sure it's locked. Like I said, there's a little unlock and a lock. And then down here at the bottom, there is a little dial, and it says coarse and fine. You can turn your dial there, and you can make it more coarse and fine. And then you just push your button, and it's ready to go.